Are you looking to hire a cleaner? If the answer is yes, then start by typing your postcode at the top of this page. As soon as we receive your booking, we will start the process of arranging a cleaner for you. This usually takes 24 to 48 hours to complete. As soon as one of our approved cleaners accepts your job, you'll receive an email confirming further details about our cleaner and a confirmation of a start date and time. At Arising Cleaning, we specialise in domestic cleaning services, including ironing. This can be carried out on a weekly or fortnightly basis. However, if you require only a one-off visit, we will gladly assist. When you make a booking, you'll be given the estimated amount of time needed to carry out all the tasks required and the total amount payable. We are unable to give out estimates over the phone, as all bookings must be made here on our website. So why not first start by typing in your postcode at the top of this page to see if we cover your area. Arising Cleaning Services, guaranteed house cleaning and ironing when you need it.